What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. Hey, if you haven't heard, hey, make sure you go back to my last preview video with the porterhouse steak and answer the giveaway. The giveaway is you'll have to see when you watch it. So today I'm gonna make a meatloaf. The way I like to make it. Not too special. No, very easy and couple steps, quick. So what I'm gonna start off with is a little garlic. A little salt. Just eyeball it. A little enough. Some black pepper. Keep it very simple. You know. Sometimes, you know, you over season the meat. An egg. Breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna mix all this in together. A little ketchup. Just, you know, enough. Some diced onions. And half of a green pepper. And you're just gonna mix all this in together. Like so. Okay, once we got all that mixed up, we just go ahead and get ready to pick it up. It's all mixed in together. Just go ahead and shape it in like in a loaf pan. You can use any kind of pan you prefer, but it's easier for me. So once it's about almost done, I'm gonna pour a lot of the grease off and put the ketchup on there. Cause if you put it on there, they just run all off the side and everything. Just put it slightly in the middle. Cook for about an hour. Been about 45 minutes. Then we'll put it in there for about 20 more minutes. Then it'll be good and done. Yeah. Do a little jelly. Smells very good. So after we cooked about an hour, we got a nice crust on the outside. See, nice pretty color. Nice and you can see the green peppers, onions. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.